Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix iPhone color can't hear me. If colors can't hear you on your iPhone, the problem may be caused by microphone blockage, incorrect settings, or temporary software issue. Testing the microphone and checking your audio settings can often resolve the problem. Follow the steps below to troubleshoot an iPhone when colors can hear you. To begin, remove any phone case or screen protector that may be covering the microphone. Check the microphone openings for dust or debris and clean them gently with a soft, dry brush. Then restart your iPhone. Make sure the microphone is not muted during the call. Disconnect any Bluetooth headphones or other connected audio devices. Open the Voice Memos app and record a short clip to test the microphone. Play back the recording to check whether your voice is clear. Test the microphone by recording a video with the camera app. Install the latest iOS update if one is available. Open the Settings app, go to Privacy and Security. Then tap on Microphone. Make sure microphone access is enabled for the apps you use. Reset your network settings if the issue only occurs during phone calls. Try making a call in a different location to rule out poor cellular coverage. Then force restart your iPhone if the microphone still isn't working properly. Lastly, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store if colors still can't hear you after completing these steps. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.